A stem and leaf diagram is a way of displaying certain types of data. So let's see how we could use it to display the list of ages of a group of people. Now this list of ages is already in order from youngest up to oldest. But if a list of data was not given to us in ascending order, we would look to write it out like so before doing a stem and leaf diagram, as it does make life easier. Now the first step is to draw up a suitable sized table. And once we draw our table up, we can set it up with the digits that we will have on the left side making up the stem, and each digit on the right side will be a leaf. So, how do we input these numbers, these ages of people, into our stem and leaf diagram? Well, here we only have 2-digit numbers to worry about. So let's look at the number 18. So what happens is that the tens column will be a stem, and the units column will be a leaf. So in our diagram, this is written out like so. And the same method applies to every other age in the list. And a good approach is to write out all the stem digits that we'll need. So we have ages in the 20s, the 30s, the 40s, and one in the 50s. So we have 1, 2, 3 for the 30s, 4 for the 40s, finally the 50s in our stem column. Well, we've already done the tens, as there was only 18, so let's look at the ages in the 20s. We have 20, we also have 21, afterwards we have 27, and 28 twice, and what happens is we just write the 8 2 times. So each digit in the leaf column represents a separate age in the 20s. So in the group of people, there's someone aged 20, another person aged 21, another person aged 27, and 2 people with the same age, 28. And if we move on and look at 30s, we have 32, also another person aged 34. And with the 40s, again we only have 2 people, one is age 47, one is age 49, and the oldest person in the group is aged 51. So rather than looking through the list of ages, it can be clearer to look at a table such as this, stem and leaf diagram. Perhaps not so much with a shorter list such as this one, but with longer lists of data, it can be very helpful. And the final step with a stem and leaf diagram is to add what is known as a key to explain what the information in the table represents. So if we again just look at the smallest age, 18, simply put one 8 is equal to 18 years old. And then whoever's reading the stem and leaf diagram will know this will apply to all the other numbers. For example, 5 in the stem column followed by 1 in the leaf column will represent 51 years of age.